Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you do not already know, my name is Reid Nicholson, also known as ReidyourRealtor. I am a licensed real estate agent in the West Michigan area, and today is vlog day. I figured I'd bring a vlog to you guys. I'm actually just sitting right outside the gym right now, and it's about 8 in the morning. Usually every morning what I try to do is be up by 5 a.m. I slept in a little bit today because I've been traveling over the weekend and whatnot, and got back Monday, so just been out of schedule a little bit. Basically though, wake up 5 a.m., hit my morning routine, which consists of very simple layout. So first off, brush the teeth, pound water, and eat like bread and cheese or just something light that will kind of get my metabolism going there. And then I will always do a cold water splash, meditate, gratitude journal, and a lot of times I read as well. That's kind of the main morning routine. Then I hit the gym, and after the gym I get home and I take a cold shower. So that's kind of how I start my days pretty much every single day. It works really good for me and it kind of gets me in the right zone. Today I'm just running a little bit late, but stay tuned. I'll show you more. I got a jam-packed day right now. Okay, probably been home for about an hour now. Basically what I do every morning is day trade. I've been studying day trading since I was 15 and I absolutely love day trading. So basically every morning for about the first 2 hours of the morning, I'm going to be day trading, and I'll do whatever real estate work is kind of just standard there, and then kind of go from there on it. But you know, like before market opened, I just scheduled a showing for tonight at 5:45, so there's the back-to-back busy day. But yeah, so basically for about the next hour to two, just depending on how hot the market is and how many trades it's offering for opportunities, I will be trading. And after that, I'll keep you posted. I still got a shower too, so if it gives me some extra time, I'll do that as well. But otherwise, yeah, I'll be trading for about the next hour to 2 hours and probably make some breakfast and whatnot as well, and then get showered up, and then I will be headed to the office. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Okay, just wrapping up trading and breakfast. Literally all I made for breakfast was like 6 eggs, but want to kind of give the overall on the trading. Basically lost $16.15. Honestly, I'm super happy with today. I just kind of played around with trying to long things. Usually I short. If you don't know what that is, I'm not going to get into it, but you can look it up, longing and shorting stocks. I'm mainly a shorter, but tried to play the long side on something today and it didn't work out. Biggest thing you learn in trading, especially in day trading, is you don't focus on the profit and loss, you focus on your strategy. Today, I executed on my strategy perfect. I exited at where I wanted to exit at and happy with the trade. So you can't really care whether you win or lose. It's more so just sitting there and letting your plan play out. So that's trading. I'm gonna get it in the shower now, head to the office. While I was kind of waiting for a place to open up, I've been doing some real estate as well. And I have a phone call at about 11:30 that I gotta make. So yeah, that's my plan. Shower and head to the office. I'll catch you there. Okay, just got back to the office from picking up some lunch there, just Jimmy J's. Just wrapped up a few other things for work. It's about 2:30 right now. Just kind of like admin type stuff. Basically the rest of the day, all I have is admin type stuff. That's usually how I like to keep it. I do my calls in the morning and whatever comes in after that comes in. So now literally about to head to the happy hour, like the second I put this phone down, and hopefully I can show you guys that. I got 2 other new agents that I'm going with, so I'll hopefully introduce you to them as well, and it should be a fun time. Cocktail happy hour. Doesn't get better than that. All right, we're back. This is Simon here. Hey. Paige, you're not gonna get to meet her. She had to go do a showing, but we are now at the showing that we had scheduled for today with one of my clients. He's inside on the phone with his wife. They are from out of state and his wife is in the other state, so they FaceTime. anyways, we came like straight from the happy hour. It was hard to bring my phone out there. Didn't really want to, but that was great too. And now we're just waiting this out, see what he thinks about this one, and kind of going from there. But yeah, any thing else you want to say there, Simon?
You know, about the property, it's a cool property. It's valued well. But what else do I really say? Happy hour was fun.
Happy hour was fun. So
it's good to talk to other people that are like-minded as you.
Yeah, it's more of a networking group than it was a happy hour, but
yeah, it really was. It was good. It didn't seem weird. It felt kind of natural.
Yeah, it was cool. But yeah, that's where we're at now. After this, we'll get home, or well, back to the office. I got some more work to wrap up. It's like 6:15 right now, so that's the plan. This is about 40-ish minutes from the office, and then that'll kind of wrap up the day, but so far so good. Okay, I'm back. Not 100% sure where I left this off. Believe it was at that showing. Basically, it was about a 40-minute drive back to the office, dropped off my client 'cause he rides with me. I had Simon training with me. We all kind of talked in the parking lot for a while. We didn't get back until probably 7:30-ish. Talked in the parking lot for a while, and then I had some more work to go do in the office to wrap up. I think I left the office around 8:15, 8:30-ish, and that was pretty much the wrap on the day. I was just beat and wanted to eat and relax for a little bit, so that's what I did. Checking in now though, so I mean, yeah, I hope you all enjoyed that. I know it's different, and I'm trying to switch things up, so hope you all like that, and just seeing a typical day in my life that honestly was pretty typical. Sorry, we got our house being worked on right now, but that was a pretty typical day, and it's busy, it's hectic, and I love it. So and it's stressful, so I love everything about that, and hope you guys at least enjoyed getting to watch me go through that. So yeah, other than that, hope you have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I'd love to hear a comment down below on what all your thoughts were. So peace.